St Bridget Girls School Isingiro rizoba baajaguza okukora kurungi birugiro mbebuzo by'ecyamukaga ahabeegi babiri ba science bahingura n'obubonero 15 kandi abandi bona bakatunga obubonero bw'abahinguza amashomo 3 hamwe n'amashomo 2.
Abikibanje bona birnabana abakozire bona mbakurufayinga za university twashimirwa munonga obasingire abenakora pemu ayini 15
abeja basingira abandi kandi abababiye n'amashemerwa mingi bagambe cyo bahwerire kusinge buzo byabo
kashaba munonga mukama mbase mbaze kuka ebizamu bya senior 6 kandi mbikire ikindi ni nsimana na abashomesa banje na administration ya St Bridget Girls High School nsima munonga nimpuraje merire munonga awokora 15 pem ICT. I'm super excited because benta expecting and nitekateka kushoma electrical engineering.
St Bridget emyaka ejione kuratine student singa haze chikuretere echo no kwesiga mukama na namani mingi agabashomesa bakutamu na nemico mirungi y'abana bibi.
Abashomesa nabo bagambe kiretira beja bakora kurungi munonga eki bagira ngo nikija kugumeza mu mpaka
kandi njana turaganisa kugira ngo omyaka yaza kwiza tugumentu singa echetango chitu ninga se tukura ntuyitega ngito gisomero no kugira ngo St Bridget egumaha map.
Omugandi ishomero rya Alliance Secondary School muri Banda na hati ryagaruka rya sibo mu kujaguza bwa nyuma yo kwijara singira higura by'ecyamukaga.
So we have 4 students who got 20 points. From 20 you go to 19. We have 6 students who scored 19 points. Moving down to 18, we have 14 students who scored 18 points.
Abeji barukurenga magana 2 nubo bashitamire buzo byaba hari Alliance Secondary School muri Banda kandi ababona ati no gwiro kurugira abashomesa babo ubwo bana habeji barukutunga ubonero 20.
183 students got 10 points and above.
Bamwe habeji batungira ubonero 20 basimba bashomesa hamwe n'abazire babo ukubahwera gukora kurungi.
Kama mbasise nakora singa yo mndonga nisimarahanga mbasise kora point sense ngaraka sibana bazire banje batichance bona wenda nimbasimu.
I happened to get 20 points and it's not by coincidence but it was out of hard work and then the efforts given by the teachers and all the other staff, the teaching and non-teaching staff.
I want to encourage those in senior 5 and senior 6. You have seen the results. Make sure you give us results that are better than this. Thank you very much.
Abwa TV West and Alogias bya mukama hamwe na Timothy Mushabe.